Hello everyone, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I have really bad acne, and it's been quite a long time since I've sat down and filmed a video for you guys. I thought I would do a get ready with me just to kind of bring myself back onto YouTube and explain where I've been. I'm going to be using a lot of new products, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. So I got the Tatcha Primer. This primer is so popular on YouTube. It came in actually this little gift set. So it came with the Dewy Skin Mist, a mask, a moisturizer, and then the trial size version of the primer. Just in case, you know, I didn't like it, I wanted to try it out. I got this during the VIB sale. It is untouched. I've been waiting to not use it, but let's go ahead and use it. I don't even know how much to use. But if you guys can see, my skin is actually looking kind of like really, like look at all this down here. It's looking really bad again. I actually had to, okay, so multiple, oh, this feels lovely. Oh, this is really soft. So this definitely has a fragrance to it, and hopefully it doesn't break me out. So I actually got a peel done, which is actually one of the biggest things that helps my skin. I'll have some footage of that playing hopefully, but I got a peel done and my skin was looking so good, but it was peeling, obviously, hence chemical peel, you're gonna peel. It was peeling a lot, so I couldn't wear any foundation or any makeup at all. Since the peel, I've only worn makeup 3 times, and it's been about 3 weeks since I got that done, or over 2 weeks since I've got that done. Then I've actually been on antibiotics, and I think that's what's breaking me out. Like all of a sudden my skin looked garbage, and I haven't been wearing any makeup at all. Like I said, I've only worn makeup 3 times in the span of almost 3 weeks, and all of a sudden my skin just went, not today, we're not gonna look good anymore. I was so excited that my skin was actually clearing up. But that's the only thing that's been different. I haven't changed anything like in my skincare or anything, you know, that was aggravating it or anything at all. So that is what happened there. Okay, I think actually, so I used to use, I don't know if I should use these are probably old, but I used to use these all the time. These are the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage drops, and I used to use these all the flippin' time. Let's see, Instagram. oh, that's dropping. But I'm gonna be using the Sigma F88 flat kabuki brush. Sigma sent me a huge box, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much to them. Okay, my thoughts. Can you guys tell that I'm just like, I don't know, I feel so out of my element right now, and just kind of, it's been a really long time. Just opening this, which is where I'm looking down. It's been a really long time, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't feel good enough to come back, honestly. November 11th, I hit absolute rock bottom, and I'm not going to go into detail with that. Oh, okay, I see you. Coverage. So like I said, I hit absolute rock bottom, and I'm not going to get into detail, but I'm sure you guys are smart enough to figure it out. And I'm still really sensitive to what happened, but I hit rock bottom. Again, sorry for the noise. But I'm still healing from that, and I honestly didn't feel good enough to come back. I was honestly scared to come back. I haven't left my house at all, except to like go to work occasionally, but I am working a new job right now, and that's been really, I don't know, rough on me physically. So it's just like, I don't know, a lot of things happen, and I'm getting sick. Like I'm just really sorry. I don't know, my thoughts are just like really really all over the place, and I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. If you guys notice, I haven't been on Instagram posting anything. I've been, just on there, but I haven't been posting anything. I've really been struggling. Fear can really rule your life, and it's kind of crazy. So, these are just my normal concealer things. But yeah, it's just, and then, the holidays, Thanksgiving happened, and I really just needed to take a break and step back. And I'm sure you guys understand, but on my last video, talking about depression and anxiety and all that stuff, you guys have been so amazing with that, and I've been reading your comments, and I'm just so thankful for all of you, and I mean that genuinely. Like, you guys are amazing. Just wanted to let you know I'm here, I'm alive. I'm doing the best that I can, and yeah. I'm gonna try a new powder, actually. So I got this powder, well, this is the Milk Makeup Powder. This doesn't have talc in it, so it's something I've been wanting to try. This has like a sifter in it. It's kind of, I don't know how I feel about the packaging. It's a little difficult to use, kind of, but it's an interesting powder. And then I've got my CoverGirl powder. I'm not going to do a wear test on this foundation, but if you guys want me to do a wear test, let me know if you would be interested. I feel like it looks worse than it did before, especially like down here. My face has been hurting so much, and the last thing I want to do is put makeup on it, so that's been really difficult. So Sigma sent over their premium professional brush kit, and I thought I would try some of these brushes out. I opened this on my Instagram stories, and I have the opening still saved on my highlights, and it comes with so many brushes. It's kind of ridiculous. This is the Sigma tapered face brush, the F25. I'm just going, oh, that is so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is lovely. Oh my goodness. So today I thought I would try, and I got this to review for you guys. This is the new Carity palette, the Picante palette from Carity, and it's a warm toned palette. Everybody loves their warm tones, and I got some of their brushes to try with it as well. I have used this one time. So here is the palette. This is actually pretty true to color to what the shadows look like, so there's no mirror or anything, but thought I would dive in to that. So yeah, it's been really rough month for me. So I bought this little brush bundle, I think just to try out all the different brushes. Oh, not all, I meant some of their brushes. So I have the E30, E31, and the E28. Which all those are what the brushes look like. Let's go in. Ooh, this color is speaking to me. This is the color Dune, so I'm going to go in with that. And then I'm going to use the E31 with that. Oh, that is beautiful. This palette, this whole palette is just fall to me. Like it's all the fall colors. I'm going to use the E30, which is just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to go in with that same color and go in under here. Now I'm going to go in with like an orange color maybe. Sorry about that. I had to place dinner for my brother and I. So I think, actually wait, come back. Sorry about that. I had to place dinner for my brother and I. So I think, actually wait, come back. I'm gonna have him pick the next color. Alright, what color should I wear next?
Does it matter?
Yeah, you said you want me to use this one on my lid?
No, morning. What's lid?
What?
What? No. I don't know anything about makeup. That one. No, that one.
Which one do you want on my lid?
What's that? Oh, wait, the eyelid?
Yeah, like all over the eyelid. You want this one? Okay, Passion. Okay, so he wants me to use Passion all over my lid, which means I'll use a little bit of ice in my crease. My brother's the best, aren't you? Aren't you, Ming Wing? That's his nickname. Oh, that is pigmented. Oh. I might use the... Alright, let's go with some Passion here. Right here. Okay, ready? Let's see. Oh! Okay, here we go.
Passion.
Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh!
You always got the pics.
Oh! You got that right. I might have to use a brush. It kind of goes on your fingers. With your fingers, but not quite. Oh, better. I'm getting fallout everywhere. This color is a little bit difficult to work with. It won't quite pack on with a brush, and it won't really pack on with your finger. It swatches really nice on your fingers, but then it won't go on the eye. But dang, we going dark and smoky today. Okay. So I forgot I had this. This is the L'Oreal Unbelievabrow, and I got this through Influencer, so I want to try it out. I do my eyebrows while I'm waiting for my eyeliner to fully set, so I thought I would try it on camera. It has like a doe foot applicator end to it, so it's kind of weird how it works, but let's grab a little bit of product on a brush. Oh! Let's go in. I got some bronzer on. I don't know. This bronzer might be... Oh, like look at that. Oh, it looks terrible. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just got makeup in my hair. It hurts a lot. What blush should I use? I really like this one a lot. Highlight. Becca in Moonstone. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, which are House of Lashes lashes in Siren. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
What, over the phone?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube.
Let's try some of this Tatcha Luminous Skin.
What is that, that dewy spray?
Yeah. Woo! This stuff costs an arm and a leg.
Mm-hmm. Better get every little molecule.
Yeah, I know. Gotta get every last bit. I'm bougie and I'm trying it.
Mm-hmm.
That's all that matters about that.
Yeah.
On my lips, I have one of the new Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paints. This one's in the color Unbutton, and oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. But can we just take a moment to look at this gorgeous packaging? Like, for real, glass and everything. But yeah, here's the color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and sorry this video was kind of like all over the place. Still struggling and trying to get back into filming and everything like that, but yeah, thanks guys and have a great day.